Hello, good morning or good afternoon, and welcome to our Key Stage 2 Assembly that will celebrate all of our learners of the week and also celebrate our attendance figures to see who has been the best class with attending either our in-school provision at the moment or our home learning. So it's really nice to see you all, and also it's been really nice to hear from your teachers who have been telling me all about the great learning that you've been doing at home, and those of you in school, what you've been up to. And also, I hope some of you have been enjoying some of the other PE lessons that are online, some of the other activities that hopefully will be keeping you busy and keeping you active. So we're going to start today with our attendance winners for lower key stage 2. And I've looked at who has been attending in school and who's been regularly attending Zooms and worked out which has been the best class. So this week, our attendance TED winners here, we've got attendance TED. The winner of TED this week is class 4C. So well done to all of you. Give yourselves a big clap or pat on the back for either attending a Zoom lesson or attending a key worker provision. So well done. So attendance TED is going to be with you this week. Okay, so we'll move on to our learners of the week. So we've got in class 3A, Alfie. You have won your class's prize for persevering to do his best in his home learning and showing an excellent understanding of the topics we've been learning about. So well done to you. We'll put a certificate in the post, which will be winging its way to you as soon as possible. So well done. Okay, in class 3B, we have Sapphire. Well done to you for always showing kindness in the classroom and persevering within all aspects of your learning. Well done. In class 3C, we have Brooke for her brilliant contribution in the PE Home Learning Challenge. So well done. I'm sure you've been following Miss Sparks really well. I've seen lots of videos coming in of those people who are working really hard. So well done to you, Brooke. Class 3D, we have Emily for her fantastic creation of a mythical beast using her Barbie dolls. Well done to you, and well done for using all your things you've got at home to engage you with your learning. It's brilliant. Okay, class 4A, your winner is Taylor for an absolutely fantastic effort with all learning at home so far. A special mention for how hard you're working in maths too. Well done. Your teacher's really proud of you. So well done, and so are we. So keep up the hard work, Taylor. In class 4B, your winner is Bethan for consistently attending all Zoom lessons and producing excellent work. Well done to you, Bethan. Keep up the hard work. It's been great to see lots of you in the Zoom lessons, and over the coming weeks, myself and Mrs. Northrop, we will be popping into some of those to say hello as well. So I look forward to seeing you. In class 4C, we have Harrison for a dedicated approach to all his home learning and trying particularly hard with improving your handwriting at home. Well done, Harrison. Keep it up. I look forward to seeing some of that when you're back here at school with us. And in class 4D, we have Jessica for her continued efforts in maths, although you're finding it challenging. So you're persevering, one of our school values. So well done to you. And even if you are at home and at school, you can continue to follow our part values and working hard. Well done to all of our learners in years 3 and 4. Keep up the home learning and the learning in school. I know Mrs. Good has been seeing lots of those things and is really proud of what you're doing. So well done. Keep it up. Okay, so now we're going to move on to year 5 and 6. So again, I've looked at the attendance figures. It's really close across this department. Lots of you attending Zoom lessons. And our winner in year 5 and year 6 with attendance TED is class 6D. So well done to all of you in class 6D. Give yourselves a big clap. I'm sure we'll hear all those claps around Thanet at the moment. So well done to you. Let's see if you haven't won it this week. If you're not in class 60, work hard, keep coming to those Zoom lessons, and I'm sure your class will be read out next week. So let's move on to our learners of the week. In class 5A, we have Emily for her excellent learning with fractions and perimeters. Well done, Emily. Keep up the hard work. In class 5B, your learner of the week is Olivia. Well done, Olivia, for writing a fantastic piece of writing during the week. Well done to you. In class 5C, got Reese. You're working really hard at home and you've written a fantastic letter and you're trying your best every day with our home learning. Well done to you. Keep up the good work. In class 5D, we have Poppy for her conscientious attitude to home reading. Well done to you. Keep reading those books. Keep telling us what you're doing, so keep up the good work. In class 6A, your learner of the week is Lexi. Well done, Lexi, for a positive and enthusiastic approach towards learning whilst listening to adult advice as well. Really good. All of you, either if you're in school or at home, keep listening to those adults who are there to help you. And mums and dads, well, and carers, well done for all the hard work as well that you're doing at the moment. In class 6B, we have Macy. Well done, Macy, for trying really hard and persevering in the effort to improve your maths. Well done to you, Macy. Keep up the good work. In class 6C, we have Ella for working really hard in school to improve your mental math strategies and skills. Well done, keep it up. And in class 6D, we have Riley for being really enthusiastic and an active member of all the Zoom lessons. His attendance is fantastic and he is always willing to share his ideas online. Well done, Riley. It's fantastic. So all of you who are working at home at the moment, your Learner of the Week certificate will be in the post, finding its way to you shortly. Everyone else who maybe hasn't been Learner of the Week this week, keep up the hard work, keep persevering and trying your best, letting us know about all the things you're doing, and I'm sure over the coming weeks you might be read out as well on our video. So just before I go, just wanted to say to everyone, well done for everything you're doing. That's also all the children, but also all of the adults in a really tricky time. There's lots of learning. I'm sure your children and adults and parents and carers are all learning new things. I hope you're really enjoying our Zoom lessons if you're accessing those. Also, again, just a reminder about the PE activities on the YouTube channel. Also with these videos that are going to be put on weekly onto our YouTube channel. Again, hopefully you'll enjoy watching those, celebrating all of our learning. And also keep looking at the WeDuck app. We'll continue to send out communications with you. And it's a good opportunity, again, to see what's going on and see if there's anything else we can do. So well done again. Keep up the hard work and I'll see you next week. Bye.